abundant lifestyle. Why you need to build that? Because if you don't build that, and even if you need to undergo any surgery or any recovery or be on any disease or disorder recovery, then what is going to happen? Ultimately, your mind is going to think about the money part. And the money part means what? It is going to think about the expenses, how much expenses you are going to make, how much heavy it will seem to your pocket. Let me share something good news about it to you, that you won't find it more heavier when you will prepare well in advance. And the stress is the very first stepping stone which start causing the blood pressure trigger, the hypertension, and gradually keeps building on the various disease and disorder. Okay, your moods get disturbed and you continue to feel uneasy and dis-ease, and that's the very reason it let the disease and disorders points up further. So on this note, what should you do then? Then you must get your mind trained to have a bulletproof positive mindset. How would you do that? So for that, there are various tools which you can at least you can enable yourself, just like a primary kid or pre-primary kid, that Hey, hi, are you listening to me for first time or you have been visiting frequently? Please type in the chat window or in the comment FB for frequent visitor or new visitor NV. Thank you. I believe that you have done so. What I'm going to talk about today is very, very crucial and important to you. But before that, let me make this request. I would love to request you to listen to this video till the end and get a lot of surprises. Okay, surprises that I'm going to share at the end of this video. But before that, you continue to listen. Remember, complete this video, because this is what it is called as one of the universal law. You can take a note of it. How you do anything is how you do everything. If you are going to skip this video here, that is a quick demonstration that you are going to skip a lot of many things in your life. Okay, and today it is something to abundance which I am going to reveal in front of you, because I have been talking about it with many people. Let me welcome you once again. Welcome to this Abundance Sources series, another day. And today you are going to listen to me on a subject which is very close to my heart, and this is mindset. What is the importance of mindset towards abundance building? Have you ever dreamed of living an abundant lifestyle? Yes, congratulations, my dear friend. The very first step towards living that is from thinking. And if you have done so, let me congratulate you once again. And with this note, let me request you, listen to this video once again till the end, and remember to take a lot of notes. And while it is going to be helpful for you, remember to subscribe to this channel if you are a new visitor. And even if you have not done a frequent visitor, please do so. Add your comment. How did you feel at the end of this video? And remember to hit the bell icon, because you will be notified whenever I'll come live or my video tunes in to you. This is different from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Hi, I'm Kumar Gaurav, Amazon India's best-selling author of Brain Hacker 1.0. What does it do? The Brain Hacker 1.0 is coming with a lot of science fiction, suspense thriller, and many more creations. Why? Because creation is the way to abundance, and I am the one who is been talking about abundant lifestyle. Yes, you heard it right. So don't forget to pick this book from Amazon India. That's Brain Hacker 1.0, and it is also available on Kindle. So you can pick it up from anywhere. Soon it is going to be Kindle version is going to be on surprise prices. Okay, so today what we are going to do is that how an abundant lifestyle is possible. But before that, why I'm talking about this, you must know that what is the important to know the abundant lifestyle, because when we have been talking about diseases and disorders, and we have covered a lot in my old videos, and there you have seen that it is more about mindset. Okay, how your psychosomatic diseases are getting triggered more through the mindset. The way you think, the way your thinking pattern impacts your body and cells and tissue, right? If it is making sense, please type into the comment as MS, that I'm sure that it is going to add a lot of value to you. On this note, let me bring something more very, very interesting in front of you. When you will listen to it, I'm going to sprinkle a surprise in between while you are listening over here. There is a group called, Intelligence Abundance Hub, where I frequently visit and do a lot more value addition. I would request you to be the part of that. That is on the FB, and the link you can find on the cover page of this YouTube channel. Hi, once again, let me remind you to put the comment, take a lot of note, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I come with valuable data, valuable information for you. So I was talking how you can build an abundant lifestyle. Why you need to build that? Because if you don't build that, and even if you need to undergo any surgery or any recovery, or be on any disease or disorder recovery, then what is going to happen? Ultimately, your mind is going to think about the money part. And the money part means what? It is going to think about the expenses, how much expenses you are going to make, how much heavy it will seem to your pocket. Let me share something good news about it to you, that you won't find it more heavier when you will prepare well in advance. And the stress is the very first stepping stone which start causing the blood pressure trigger, the hypertension, and gradually it keeps building on the various disease and disorder. Okay, your moods get disturbed and you continue to feel uneasy and dis-ease, and that's the very reason it let the disease and disorders points up further. So on this note, what should you do then? Then you must get your mind trained to have a bulletproof positive mindset. How would you do that? So for that, there are various tools which you can at least you can enable yourself, just like a primary kid or pre-primary kid, that at least you understand that what should you speak, how you should speak, and what you should not. Because your every single thought is a prayer, and every single prayer is going to get manifested then and there. And that is the very reason you must get trained upon your positivity. How do you speak? What do you speak? And when you speak, that's the very first element you need to master. Once you master this, then comes the second one. What will happen even when you are positive? How you are changing and bringing the changes inside your behavior, how you are impacting the world, your own world, and your surrounding. Okay, is it hurting someone? Is it hurting your own self? Or is it hurting your family as well? For that, then you need to continue to clear all the connection which is building the knots in the relation, and thereby in the emotions. Okay, because emotion is the way to build the economy. And I have been talking about 21 mini emotions of a millionaire. If you want to know about it, you can just send me message through our Telegram group, or through Facebook group. Okay, be the insider over there. And then you can also join our some program, free program or paid program, whatever you feel like. Okay, from there the real journey starts in, and you will see the way to make an abundant lifestyle and how the entire thing can get started just within 24 hours. You are going to decode then and there once you get connected with me. If it is really making some sense and you are really enjoying it and you are really loving it, then I would say that show some love and wishes and put some heart and greetings in the chat and the comment. Okay, so far I have been talking the importance of the abundant lifestyle. The very first element I have already talked about, the positivity. Then what comes the next? Very people and many people forget to get themselves trained upon this. And what is that? This is called as getting trained for purity. Yes, my dear friend, you heard it right. It's all about purity. Imagine who is, and I once again inside your childhood, okay, what level of energy you will gain back again. Have you ever seen any child roaming here and there, wandering here and there, running here and there, and still he is pumping up, jumping jack, and doing lot many activities with full of enthusiasm and energy? From there where it all gets built up. Does he have any ill will about anyone? Does he have any grudges about anyone? No, the answer is straight away no. And that's why his heart is always just like a clean slate. And the moment with the positive thought, whatever is written on that clean slate, what exactly happened? Universe blesses it. In fact, the clean slate, when gets imposed by some amazing words, it automatically gets blessed because it is already clean. All right. So you need to get yourself trained upon that. How do you do that? Again, to know it, you must get connected with me, and then comes to know the power of polarity. You must know that what is going to come as a next step once you get trained on positivity and then purity, so that you will be able to figure it out how far you are from your own very goal to achieve. And then come the training upon what? Training upon prosperity. So you have learned so far 4 elements: positivity, purity, polarity, and prosperity. You should discover all these 4 pieces, reconnect all of them, so that you have amazing diamond as you being the center of all these 4 dots to connect, and then you can build and start building your own abundant lifestyle. Does it make some sense to you? If it does make some sense to you and you have taken lots of notes, please put your opinion inside the chat, and I am personally going to review that and bringing more and more data and more information and more exciting, information for you, which is going to add a lot of values in your life, and you're going to love it for sure and sure. Thank you so much for listening to me. This was Kumar Gaurav, Scale Up Abundance Coach, author of 2 amazing and 1 bestseller on Amazon India is Brain Hacker 1.0. You must read that book, because remember, creation is a way to abundance, and it comes with a hell lot of creation, plethora of creation, which is sufficient to make your mind feel blown away. Thank you so much for listening, and once again I'm requesting to hit the bell icon, put your comment, subscribe to this channel, and remember, if you're listening somewhere else other than YouTube, you can also tag to your loved ones so that they will get benefited out of it. Okay, so here did you learn 4 ways to abundance and all about mindset, and keep healthy yourself and keep yourself wealthy and experience the abundant lifestyle, because love, light, and wishes to you, and you are geared to live an abundant lifestyle. You are once again listening to Abundant and Scale Up Abundance Coach Kumar Gaurav, Amazon bestseller, Brain Hacker 1.0, author of 2 amazing books. And once again, another request: subscribe, comment, and remember to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Love, light, wishes once again. Bye-bye. Take care.